So this is the 3D printed Mark II Iron Man suit. Now, this is a statue, so it's not something that's wearable. It's a raw print, so if you look closely, there will be some signs, some, discrepancies and flaws. But overall, I printed this and I think it turned out pretty well. I'm fairly happy with it, I'd say. Now, as it's a statue, you can actually take the pieces off. Let me remove that face plate. You can see that it can actually take the pieces out and they just slot in. So to assemble it, you just stick the pieces in like that. And yeah, it looks pretty cool. Let me bring you around this side. You can see it from the back. There are holes for the for lights, like in the arc reactor and also in the hands, but I haven't done anything with that yet. It's so tall, so I had to go vertical with this one so you can actually see the whole thing. Yeah, what do you think? And here are all the pieces taken apart so you can see how it looks. The arms I had to glue in because although the other pieces can just slot in and don't need any glue, the arms, of course, will just fall out if there's no glue. So I did have to glue very lightly the arms in. And then if I just give you an idea of how it all slots together, you see, take a leg, slot that in. I'll take this leg as well. And that's pretty sturdy. It's not going anywhere. Let me take this. Now this is different to that one. This suit actually is technically wearable, although I haven't scaled it to my size, but this one is actually, as you can see through the gaps, using a mannequin to hold it up. So that is how that one's different. And this one is actually, because I haven't done a great job on the mannequin, it's quite flimsy. If I give this a good smack, it would probably all fall down, whereas the other one's pretty sturdy.
And if you want the files to print this for yourself, you can buy them from a website called builditandtheywillcome.co.uk. It looks like this guy sells primarily Star Wars stuff, some really cool things to be fair. But the homepage actually doesn't have the link to buy the product, it just has info about his subscription service where you can get models for free. But if you're just looking to buy this as a one-off and not subscribe, you can do that. You just have to go to, there's like a slightly different URL. It's builditandtheywillcome.sellfy.store. Sellfy? I'm not sure what that is, but yeah, if you go to that, it looks like this takes you to his storefront where you can buy things, I guess for a higher price than if you were to just subscribe. But if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see the Iron Man file here, and from there you can just buy it. This isn't sponsored or anything, this guy didn't put me up to this, I didn't get any sort of discount, I paid full price for this, I just think it's a really cool file, so I wanted to share it with you. Oh, and just to clarify, if you do end up subscribing to this guy, I don't know whether the Iron Man one is included in the subscription bundle. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. I really have no idea. Maybe if you want to know, reach out to him on his Facebook page or something. But yeah, anyway, that's how you can buy this file.